Hey everyone, Liam here with Crypto Gains HD, bringing you the hottest XRP news of the day. And trust me, we've got some massive developments to cover today, May 3rd, 2025, so let's dive right in. Big news today as Ripple has just unlocked a whopping 1 billion XRP tokens from escrow, valued at approximately 2.2 billion at current prices. What makes this particularly interesting is that this release breaks from Ripple's traditional pattern that has remained consistent since 2009. The unlock happened today in 3 separate transactions: 500 million XRP, 300 million XRP, and 200 million XRP. Typically, Ripple releases these tokens on the first day of each month, but this time they've shifted the release by 2 days, which has caught the attention of many investors and analysts. According to blockchain data service Whale Alert, these transactions were sent from Ripple's escrow wallet as part of their liquidity management strategy. What's also notable is that this follows Ripple's escrow lockup of 700 million XRP just yesterday on May 2nd. This marks the 3rd consecutive month that Ripple has made this pre-release move, suggesting a potential change in strategy regarding XRP supply management. But that's not all the XRP news we have today. In another major development, the SEC versus Ripple lawsuit has officially come to an end. Ripple's chief legal officer, Stuart Alderoty, confirmed that the SEC dropped its final appeal back in March 2025, putting an end to years of legal battles. This resolution is expected to pave the way for clearer crypto regulations, as Ripple is now partnering with lawmakers to draft fair rules for the industry. With the legal cloud finally lifted, analysts are now predicting an 85% chance of an XRP ETF approval in 2025. Speaking of ETFs, the SEC has just extended the decision deadline for Franklin Templeton's proposed spot XRP ETF to June 17, 2025, pushing it back from the original May 3rd deadline. Franklin Templeton, one of the largest asset managers globally, submitted its S-1 registration to the SEC in April, showing significant institutional interest in XRP-based investment products. Now, let's talk about XRP's price action. The token is currently experiencing a real resurgence, trading above $2.20 after months of uncertainty. XRP is up approximately 7% over the last week of April, with May potentially bringing even bigger moves as several major catalysts line up. Looking at the technical indicators, XRP's long-term holders net unrealized profit loss, NUPL, is currently 80.73, placing it in the belief denial stage of the market cycle. This indicates rising confidence among long-term holders, with the value increasing from 0.68 3 weeks ago. For those wondering about XRP's price trajectory this month, experts believe that despite May traditionally being considered a bearish month for crypto, everything points to further upside ahead. The daily chart shows that XRP broke above a descending triangle and jumped above the 21-day EMA during a session with strong trading volumes. Currently, the 2.6 level remains the most critical resistance to watch. A break above this marker could signal that XRP is ready for its next leg up. Meanwhile, the short-term and long-term EMAs remain key support zones to monitor. As long as the price holds above these levels, there's little reason for panic selling this month. Some market commentators have even suggested that XRP's market cap could potentially surpass Ethereum's in the future, especially with rumors circulating about a potential XRP and Swift partnership that emerged last month. It's worth noting that while ProShares leveraged and short XRP futures ETFs were approved to begin trading on April 30th, a true spot XRP ETF has not yet been approved. However, the futures approval is seen as a positive step for XRP's long-term legitimacy in the market. Some experts predict that a future spot ETF could eventually drive up to 100 billion in capital inflows into XRP, which would be absolutely game-changing for its price action. That's all for today's XRP news update. If you found this information valuable, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to Crypto Gains HD for daily cryptocurrency updates. Hit that notification bell so you never miss another upload, and share this video with fellow crypto enthusiasts. This is Liam, signing off. Until next time, keep those crypto gains coming.